In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams during a meeting. Screen sharing is one of the most useful features in Teams, whether you're presenting slides, walking through a document, or demonstrating software. I'll walk you through the full process and include some helpful tips along the way, and we'll also cover how to stop sharing when you're done. First, make sure you've joined a meeting in Microsoft Teams. You can join from the Teams desktop app or the web version in your browser, but the desktop app usually gives you the smoothest experience. Once you're in the meeting and your audio and camera are set up, look toward the middle of the meeting controls, which appear as a bar along the bottom of your screen. On that control bar, you'll see an icon that looks like a rectangle with an arrow, often labeled Share or Share Content. Click this icon to open the sharing options. When you do this, a panel will appear, usually along the bottom or side, giving you several choices. You might see options like sharing your entire screen, a specific window, a PowerPoint presentation, or even a particular browser tab, depending on your setup. If you want to show everything on your display, choose your entire screen. This is useful when you'll be switching between multiple apps or windows. Just be mindful that any notifications or pop-ups will also be visible, so it's a good idea to close anything private or distracting beforehand. If you only want to show one application, like a single document or browser window, select that specific window from the list. This helps keep your audience focused and protects anything else you have open from being seen. Once you select what you want to share, Teams will start broadcasting that content to everyone in the meeting. You'll usually see a colored border around what's being shared, or a small preview so you know exactly what participants are seeing. Take a moment to confirm it looks correct before you start presenting. While you're sharing, you can still move your mouse to the meeting controls if you need to mute, unmute, or turn your camera on or off. Try to move smoothly and avoid rapid switching between windows to keep things clear for your audience. When you're finished presenting, look for the toolbar at the top or bottom of your screen that shows you are currently sharing. On that bar, click on